Chase yourself. Don't chase false narratives and fantasies. All of these thoughts that will keep you going in circles, circling pain, circling rain, circling storms. Learn to chase yourself, not chase fantasies, lost and broken, at dreams that you wish that you were, but you're not those things. You have to chase yourself instead of chasing false dreams. You have to chase yourself and learn who you are, because if you don't be who you really are, you will never shine bright like the North Star. You're gonna be chasing forever, lost and looking like